aspiring business analysts. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey into the world of business analysis? We are thrilled to announce our Crush Course in Business Analysis, a power-packed program designed to accelerate your skills and launch you into the dynamic realm of business analysis. What to expect? Start date, December 9th, weekend batch, exclusively on Saturdays and Sundays, 4-week batch. Time, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., course highlights, comprehensive curriculum, covering essential business analysis techniques and tools, hands-on learning, practical applications through real-world case studies, expert instructors, learn from industry professionals with a wealth of experience, weekend convenience, perfect for working professionals with sessions on Saturdays and Sundays. Why business analysis? Salary ranges from $75,000 to $140,000. High job growth is expected in this field. In-demand profession with numerous opportunities. Over 70,000 open jobs currently available. The projected 10-year income increase is 9.1%. The learning effort for this job is relatively low. Average communication skills are sufficient as prerequisites. Mark your calendar. Start date, December 9th. Time, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. for 4 weeks. Saturdays and Sundays. Ready to elevate your career? Join us on December 9th for a weekend adventure that will shape your future as a business analyst. Seize this opportunity and let's chart the course to success together. For inquiries and registration, contact 908-750-5002. Website www.i2ctraining.com. To enroll in business analysis and agile Scrum course, go to i2ctraining.com. Click on Become a Business Analyst. Click on Enroll. Now, and there you go to start. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. See you on December 9th.